kamusta? This is once again Raymond Gerald Tabaque. Ito may gusto lang i-share sa inyong isang value na gusto kong sa tingin ko makaka-contribute sa kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, either internet marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, yung mga ganyan, okay? Kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, kailangan talaga, okay? I just want to share this value, okay? Itong value na i-share ko sa'yo, this is the value of hustle, okay? Hustle. Ano ba tong hustle? Ito yung tipong kailangan talaga, you have to work hard, okay? You have to work hard. You have to push yourself to the limit, okay? So ito nga, katulad sabihin natin sa ating industry, which is online industry, internet marketing and network marketing, affiliate marketing, ganyan. Actually, yung idea, okay, yung idea na freedom, napakasap sa pakiramdam yun, yung freedom, okay? Lahat naman tayo gusto maging free, di ba? Lahat naman tayo. Pero yun na nga in taking freedom, okay, or getting freedom pala, getting freedom, you have to pay the price, okay? Paano ibig sabihin yan? Itong freedom, okay, hindi siya ibibigay sa'yo on a silver platter na biglang mag-resign ka dahil kasali ka na sa isang network marketing business or meron kang online business, bigla ka na magiging free, okay? Okay, it's free, okay, dahil wala nang kumukontrol sa'yo, pero there are a lot of things pa na kailangan pang aralin. There are a lot of things pa na kailangan mo pa i-push yung sarili mo. Okay? You have to face rejections. You have to face objections. Okay? You have to face negative people. You have to face people who are who are against sa belief mo. Okay? So siguro nakikita natin yung mga top earners, 'di ba, na free sila, 'di ba, na tipo, ang dami nilang oras sa sarili nila at sa pamilya nila. Pero hindi nyo nakikita, okay? Hindi natin nakikita yung tipong dinaan nila, yung experience na dinaan nila para makuha yung freedom na yun. Hanggang ngayon siguro, meron na kasi silang, alam yun, when you're successful kasi, when you're already successful, sinasabi nila, ang successful people, meron silang success habits, okay? So, ibig sabihin, itong mga top earners na to, kala mo, they are free, okay? Pero sa totoo lang, ginagawa pa rin nila income-producing activities, paulit-ulit, kasi yun yung habit nila, okay? Parang, sabihin natin, yung mga nagsisimula pa lang, okay? Mga nagsisimula pa lang sa industry na to, okay? May mga iba, nagigimik pa rin. I'm not against that, ha? Pero tinitignan ko lang, nagigimik, natutulog, take nap, okay? Ginagawa lang yung business 1 hour a day, yung mga ganung mga bagay, okay? So, ibig sabihin, they still don't have that success habit, they still don't have that habit na mga top earners, kaya sila nakakakuha ng freedom ngayon, okay? So, yun naman ito lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, okay? Make this year, okay? Your year, okay? Hustle, okay? Get busy. Pag nakuha mo, pag sinabi mong freedom, gusto mo yung freedom, dapat you are worthy of that freedom, okay? So, get busy, hustle. Kung may part-time job ka, kung may trabaho ka, hustle ka, okay? Pero, syempre, give time to your business, okay? Hustle lang, hustle, okay? Talagang kailangan matutunan mo yung habit ng mga successful people. Kailangan yun ang maging habit mo hanggang okay, the rest of your life, okay? Hanggang sa ni-enjoy mo na yung freedom na tipong magiging passion mo na siya, na hindi na trabaho para sa'yo. At yun yung sinasabi nila na this is not work for them, okay? Na talagang na-experience nila yung total freedom. Kasi para sa kanila, yung paggagawa ng business nila, it's just play, okay? They're having fun. Okay? So, dapat yun yung state na makuha mo. Kaya, dapat hustle, okay? You have to hustle. Okay? Kailan push, okay? Push yourself to the limit. Make this year your year, 2015. Make it your year, okay? So, na naman, I hope na nakatulong na maigi itong value na binigay ko sa inyo. This is really very important, lalo na kapag tipong parang na-entice ka, okay? Nagugutom ka sa word na freedom, okay? Na-entice ka talaga na gusto mong gawin yun, gusto mong makuha yun, na parang, ayun beware muna, you have to pay the price, okay, to get that freedom. Okay? So na naman, I hope you click the like button, you leave your comments below, you share this content, okay? I hope na kung gusto mo magpatulong sa akin, add me up in Facebook, ilagay mo lang dyan sa search bar sa Facebook, pangalan ko, Raymond Gerald Tabaque. At i-add mo ko, message mo ko, usap tayo, tignan natin kung paano kita matutulungan, okay? It's for your freedom, di ba? Sila naman, have a great day, have an awesome day. Till next video vlog, this is once again Raymond Gerald Tabaque. Have a great day, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye!